Crypto Rocket here again. Welcome to MEXC Global Launchpad, the leading platform for launching innovative blockchain projects. Today, we are excited to announce the launch of EXD token, a revolutionary new cryptocurrency that is set to transform the way we think about decentralized finance. EXD token is designed to provide fast, secure, and low-cost transactions, while also offering a range of powerful features for traders, investors, and developers. With its advanced technology and dedicated community, EXD is proceed to become a major player in the rapidly evolving world of blockchain. So join us as we take a closer look at this existing new project and discover how you can get involved in the future of finance. Please click on my channel. Click on the bell icon, subscribe on my channel, and please comment a very good comment. Let's dive in to on my screen so that I'll go through on how to participate in this wonderful airdrop. Let's go.
Welcome back. On my screen here, what you see is MEXC Global Launchpad, where we can see EXD token coming up on 15 days from now. This coin will be listed on 20th, and airdrop time will start on 19th of March and end on 20th, that it will be listed on that same 20th. Total supply of this coin is 200 million EXD. Okay, let us go more details on this particular token. Okay, it's an airdrop for everybody. Means you hold a MEXC token for you to participate in this airdrop or launchpad event. Okay, token sales details. Token name EXD Exorde EXD. Total supply 200 million EXD. Token allocated to MEXC Launchpad 387,715 EXD. Token sales format airdrop. Supported session MX. Okay, you can commit MX to register to the token allocation. MEXC will record users MX holding for 14 days from 4th of March 2023 to 18th of March 2023. So you can lock your MX token now, so that by the time you reach at 19th, that the token will start, the airdrop will start, you participate and make your money. So this is the scheduled timeline. Snapshot period, that's 4th, you lock your token from now on till 18th. Registration period, that's 19th to 20th. Then airdrop time, that's same 20th 11. Then trading start at 12 o'clock UTC. Then withdrawal will be the next day, that's 21. You can withdraw EXD on 21. Okay, then you can go, I will leave the link on my description below. You will go details on it and participate in this wonderful airdrop. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on my channel and click on the bell icon. Please, if this video is giving you what you want, or if you have any question, kindly go to comments below and comment anything that you want to ask, question or anything else. Please leave the comments on the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.